Quality jump starter at an affordable price is hard to find. This is Battery Tender's 2000 amp model. So what this one's gonna be good for is an 8-liter gas down to a 6.5-liter diesel. It's super easy to use. You have a flashlight here on the one end. Just hold that power button down. The flashlight's gonna illuminate. That's gonna make it easy to see those battery terminals at night. You're gonna open the end of this up, plug in your compact portable jumper cables just like this. You've got a safety light on here. So we're gonna find our positive and our negative. We're gonna hook our negative onto our negative, our positive onto our positive. Once we have that hooked up, you've got that green light. That means it's time to jump start. Get in the vehicle, hit the battery, fire it up. As soon as the vehicle is up and running, all you got to do is get out, hit that power button, and you can go ahead and disconnect the jumper cable leads. Not only is this going to be a battery jump starter, but you've also got a couple of extra features on it. It charges via USB-C right here on the side. There's a USB outlet as well that you can use to charge those portable devices with. And Battery Tender also sends this 12-volt DC outlet with it, so you can plug any standard cigarette lighter plug attachment into that to power it. If you want to pick up the 2000 amp by Battery Tender, it's going to come with a convenient carrying case, charging cord, everything that you need to successfully get that vehicle back up and running. I'll drop that orange shopping cart for you at the bottom of the screen. You can pick it up there.